Come across. Meaning, meet or find someone or something by chance. Sentence. I came across an old photo while cleaning. He comes across as a very kind person. Come up with. Meaning, to think of an idea or plan. Sentence. She came up with a brilliant solution. Can you come up with a better title? Come along. Meaning, to progress or improve. Sentence. How is your English speaking coming along? Your project is coming along nicely. Come over. Meaning, to visit someone's house. Sentence. Why don't you come over this evening? He came over to help me fix my PC. Come about. Meaning, to happen or take place. Sentence. I'm not sure how this misunderstanding came about. A big change has come about lately. Come around. Meaning, to change your opinion. Sentence. He finally came around to our way of thinking. She finally came around after we talked. Come down with. Meaning, to become sick, minor illness. Sentence. I think I'm coming down with a cold. Half the class came down with the flu. Come out. Meaning, to be released or published. Sentence. When does the new Marvel movie come out? The truth finally came out after the trial. Come through. Meaning, to succeed or be confirmed. Sentence. His visa finally came through today. You really come through in a crisis. Come by. Meaning, to obtain something hard to find. Sentence. Good jobs are hard to come by these days. How did you come by this vintage car? Come off. Meaning, to succeed as planned. Sentence. The surprise party came off perfectly. His joke didn't really come off well. Come on. Meaning, to hurry up or encourage. Sentence. Come on, we're going to be late. Oh, come on, you can do it. Come in handy. Meaning, to be useful or helpful. Sentence. This tool will come in handy later. Your advice really came in handy today. Come back. Meaning, to return to a place. Sentence. When are you coming back from vacation? 90s fashion is starting to come back. Come forward. Meaning, to offer help or information. Sentence. Several witnesses came forward to help. He came forward with the truth. Come apart. Meaning, to break into pieces. Sentence. This old book is starting to come apart. My plan started to come apart at the end. Come between. Meaning, to damage a relationship. Sentence. Don't let money come between us. A new job has come between their plans. Come down to, meaning the most important factor. Sentence. It all comes down to how much you practice. Success comes down to persistence. Come across as, meaning to give a certain impression. Sentence. He comes across as a very shy person. She comes across as a true professional. Come up. Meaning to happen unexpectedly. Sentence. Something came up and I have to stay late. The sun comes up at 6 a.m. Come to, meaning to regain consciousness. Sentence. He finally came to you after the accident. It took a while for her to come to. Come clean. Meaning to tell the whole truth. Sentence. You need to come clean about the mistake. He finally came clean to his parents. Come in for, meaning to receive, usually criticism. Sentence. The plan came in for a lot of criticism. He came in for some heavy praise. Come before, meaning to be more important than. Sentence. Family always comes before work. The safety of others comes before speed. Come under, meaning to experience pressure or attack. Sentence. The team came under a lot of pressure. He came under fire for his comments. Come away with, meaning to leave with a feeling. Sentence. I came away with a great impression. They came away with a lot of new ideas. Come into, meaning to inherit money or property. Sentence. He came into a fortune last year. She came into the business at age 21. Come off as, meaning to seem or appear to be. Sentence. You come off as very professional. He can come off as a bit arrogant. Come at, meaning to approach or attack. Sentence. The dog came at me from the gate. He is coming at the problem from a new angle. Come to terms with, meaning to accept a difficult situation. Sentence. She is coming to terms with the news. I need time to come to terms with the change.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.